Welcome to the Jaywick fireworks display. Thank you to Peter and VIP Security and to Dean Huckfield for doing this for the community. And it's an honour to film this wonderful event for Jaywick. If you can see on the seawall, it is full of people all the way along. And that is just a wonderful outcome for Jaywick. Fireworks going off over there. And Dino is going to set fire to the big boy. Let's go. All on Sloggett Vision. Are you ready? Where's my bush? Where's my bush? Oh yes. Oh, look at that go. Superb. Shine on! Well done, Dino. But now we want Peter. Where is he? Here comes the second ding dong, the big one. And Peter. Here we go.